And the person here kicks the ball.
Made with ice cream. Go. And meat.
Did you have fun when you were at summer school?
Yes, I had fun in the summer school. The lessons are very interesting, and there is a lot of games like kickball or football.
Did you make a lot of friends here at summer school?
Yes, of course.
What was your favorite part of summer school?
My favorite part of summer school, play kickball
Okay.
and make mask and a lot of draw.
Okay. Did you learn a lot of English?
Yes.
Of course. Very good. Did you have fun at summer school?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part is draw, sing a song, kickball,
Ah, very
play,
good.
our teachers,
Okay.
make a mask.
Good, good. Did you learn a lot of English at summer school?
I think yes, I learned most words in English.
Very good. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was doing other things with Miss Maria, draw masks, doing new home, and play kickball.
Okay, very good. Most importantly, did you have fun at summer school?
Of course, yes.
Very good. Did you have fun at English camp?
Yes.
What were some of the favorite things you did?
Make the mask with Miss Maria, to draw, to sing the songs, and to play baseball.
Okay, very good. Did you have fun at English camp?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. And what was your favorite part of English summer school?
I like each lessons because they were very interesting, and every day one new grammatic and new games.
Very good, very good. Your English is very good. Did you make a lot of friends at summer camp?
Yes,
And most importantly, did you have fun?
of course.
Ah, very good. Thank you. Did you like summer school?
Yes, I like summer school because I like English language.
Very good. What did you do that you liked?
I like play football and masks and
Games? Did you like the games?
yes,
Very good. Did you like the teachers?
yes,
Did you make some friends?
yes. I made a lot of friends during summer school.
Very good. And most important, did you have fun?
Yes.
Ah, very good. Thank you.